Hi everyone, in this video I will show you two methods to change Wi-Fi password on your TP Link Archer C80. The first method is TP Link Tether application. To change password in this app, make sure your smartphone is connected to your TP Link router. Then open the app and on the home screen on the network tab, tap on Wi-Fi settings. Here is your Wi-Fi name and password. You can tap on this eye icon to see what you type in. Also, you can enable and disable Smart Connects. Disabling Smart Connect separates 2.4 and 5 GHz network. I don't see a reason why do you need it, but if you know what you're doing, you can disable Smart Connect and set separate passwords for 2.4 and 5 GHz network. But I prefer to keep networks combined into one unified network, so just delete your old password, enter a new one, and save. Confirm your changes, and the smartphone from which you're making changes will reconnect to the network automatically with the new password. And about other devices, you need to reconnect them manually one by one. So hit connect over here, this smartphone will be reconnected and you have to reconnect other devices. Another way is to change Wi-Fi password from web interface on your computer. To do this, once again, your computer must be connected to your TP-Link Wi-Fi router. Then you need to open any web browser and in the search bar type in the router's IP address. By default, for TP-Link, the IP address is 192.168.0.1. So enter this value in the search bar, hit enter on your keyboard, and it takes you to your web interface. You need to enter password. You've created this password on the router setup. Then log in as administrator and switch to wireless at the top. And here is your password and network name. You can change everything. You can enable and disable wireless radio for different bands. You can enable IoT network for your smart home appliances. So this is your wireless settings, and keep in mind, unlike smartphone, the computer will not reconnect automatically and you will have to do it manually after the password changed. So change your password, don't forget to click save. Wait for changes to be applied, and then you need to reconnect your computer. So you need to find this network, disconnect from it, and then connect back again. So enter a new password. Next, and of course, reconnect your other devices as well. If that was helpful, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, hit the like button, leave a comment under this video if you have some questions, and see you in the next videos. Be awesome. Bye guys.